In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dominate your Salesforce LinkedIn profile like a Salesforce professional. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile can make a significant difference in establishing a professional online presence, and today I'll walk you through the steps to achieve just that. First, let's start by heading over to your LinkedIn profile. This is your digital business card, so giving it a polished and professional look is essential. Now, one crucial component of a professional profile is the profile picture. You'll want to use a clear, high-quality photo in which you display a confident smile. Keep it simple with a plain background to ensure the focus is entirely on you. This picture is often the first impression potential employers or colleagues will have, so make it count. Next, consider your headline, which appears right below your name. Craft it to succinctly convey who you are and what you're passionate about. A sample headline could read, Aspiring Salesforce Admin, Trailhead Ranger, CRM Enthusiast. This is a chance to highlight your interest and experience in Salesforce right off the bat. It's like a professional tagline that draws people in and encourages them to learn more about you. Following that, it's time to personalize your banner image. Choose one that incorporates the Salesforce logo or a Trailhead theme. This reinforces your personal brand as someone closely connected with the Salesforce ecosystem. A visual cue like this immediately signals your association with the platform, adding an extra layer of credibility. In your profile's Licenses and Certifications section, make sure to add any Trailhead badges and certifications you've earned. These are tangible evidence of your skills and dedication to continuous learning. They demonstrate a proactive approach to personal development, which is highly valued in the industry. Don't forget to list relevant Salesforce skills in the skills section, such as admin, flow, Apex, CRM, and Lightning. This step is crucial as it increases your profile's searchability and allows you to show up in more searches from recruiters or other professionals looking for your skill set. Now let's talk about engagement. Regularly interact with Salesforce-related content. By commenting, liking, and sharing posts, you not only stay informed, but also keep yourself visible within the professional community. It's a fantastic way to demonstrate your active involvement and interest in Salesforce. Joining and following Salesforce groups, as well as key influencers in the community, is another excellent way to stay updated and connected. These groups can be a treasure trove of networking opportunities and industry insights. Finally, don't be shy about asking for endorsements and recommendations. Reach out to peers or mentors who can vouch for your skills and professionalism. These endorsements provide social proof to potential employers or collaborators that you're credible and trustworthy. By taking these steps, you'll effectively showcase your expertise and passion on LinkedIn, setting the stage for better professional opportunities. Thank you for tuning in, and happy optimizing.